Using a function called temporary midpoints can save you some extra steps in geometry creation. In this part, I want to create a line exactly in the center of this groove. One way to do this, you would create a line on one side of the groove, and then that same thing on the other side. You can then anchor to the midpoint of those two lines to create the needed geometry. With temporary midpoints, we can skip over that extra geometry creation. To activate a temporary midpoint, you simply hover over the first point until you see a green dot. Hover over the second point until you see a second green dot. You are then given a red dot, which is exactly between these 2 points. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Hover till you see the green dot. Hover again until you see the second green dot, and then click on the temporary midpoint. We've now created that same line in the middle of this slot without any extra geometry creation. One thing to be aware of with temporary midpoints is you need to hover for a set amount of time. The time is controlled in the selection settings in the temporary midpoints delay pull down. Set the value to your liking and save that to your config file.